Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I am Sabreena, Haque, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Adult English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a science class for class 5 student on the based on short question answer and competency based question answer, which belongs to chapter 11. So let us move forward to this topic. Dear students, this is the short question answer. And today we will start from question number 10. Name two natural disasters of Bangladesh. The answer is two natural disasters of Bangladesh are tornado, flood. Here you can write another one's name also by following your textbook. Now come to next one. The monsoon wind flows from north from the south to in winter. How is monsoon wind created? Now answer is high pressure and low pressure are created due to difference of temperature in land and water. As a result, wind blows from high pressure to low pressure area in order to replace warmer air by cold air. This is how monsoon wind is created. Now come to next one. We feel extreme hot and begin to sweat due to low pressure. What is low pressure? The answer is if temperature increases at a certain place, in that area becomes warm and lighter than the surroundings air, so it rises up, decreasing the air pressure in the area. So this is called low pressure of air. Now come to next question. What is tornado? What type of damage does tornado cause? The answer is tornado is a narrow, violent, funnel-shaped column of spiral winds. These winds extends downwards from a cumulonimbus to the ground. It causes various damages such as removing of roofs, collapsing some exterior walls of poorly built structure and severe crop destruction. Next question is, how does low pressure created? The answer is during daytime land becomes warmer than the water and the warmer land warms the air above. Air that is warmed become lighter than the surroundings air, so it rises up. As a result, low pressure develops over the land. Next question is, write two reasons causing more rainfall during the rainy season in Bangladesh. The answer is two reasons causing more rainfall during the rainy season. The answer is first one is during rainy season the monthly average humidity and rainfall is higher than those of other months. And next one, southwest seasonal wind brings much moisture from the Bay of Bengal during rainy season. This moisture causes heavy rainfall. Now last one is, what is tidal wave? Due to the influence of cyclone, sea water along with sea wave enters into coastal area and it is known as tidal wave. Now come to the competency based question answer. First competency based question answer is, air pressure is related with heat and oil as well as temperature. And what is air pressure? The answer is air pressure is the force produced by the weight of the air pressing down on the earth's surface. Wind blows from the high pressure to low pressure area. There are two types of air pressure, low pressure and high pressure. During the daytime, land is warmer than the weather and the warmer land warms the air above. The air that is warm becomes lighter than the surrounding air, so it rises up. As a result, low pressure develops over the land. On the other hand, air over the ocean cooler and heavier, so it sinks, and the high pressure develops over the ocean and the wind blows from high pressure to low pressure in order to replace the rising warmer air by the cold air. At night, the land is cooler than ocean and therefore high pressure develops over the land and low pressure develops over the ocean. Now come to next one. Pressure of air is an important factor of weather. How does low pressure create? Explain. Now come to answer. Creation of low air pressure. Low air pressure can be created in both day and night. During the daytime, land is warmer than water and the warmer land warms the air above. Air that is warm becomes lighter than that of surroundings air, so it rises up. and as a result low pressure develops over the land. At night the land is cooler than the ocean, therefore high pressure develops over the land and low pressure develops over the ocean. And we know from air always blows from high pressure to low pressure area. Now come to next one. In the rainy season it usually rains more because air contains more humidity at the time. Dear students, we will discuss this question, why there is more rainfall during the rainy season in Bangladesh. This question I bring half here, sorry for that. We will discuss this question number 3 in our next class, and your homework number 11 is CBQ number 1. Answer you have to write as your homework number 11. Dear students, read the chapter and learn the question answer and do your SW and submit it regularly. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.